Hey there, trading enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the thrilling world of day trading. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss: how to read day trading charts. This skill is absolutely essential if you aspire to become a successful day trader, and we'll guide you through every step of it, leaving no stone unturned. So get ready to unlock the secrets of the charts and embark on a profitable trading journey. Let's get started. First, understanding the basics. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's ensure we have a solid foundation. Day trading charts are visual representations of price movements in the financial markets, and they're the primary tools used by traders to make informed decisions. These charts display historical data, usually presented in candlestick or bar form, revealing the opening, closing, high, and low prices of a security within a specific time frame. You'll discover that each chart is unique and provides crucial details about market trends, price patterns, and potential trading opportunities. By becoming a master at reading these charts, you'll be able to predict future price movements and make those oh so important financial gains. Second, decoding candlestick charts. Now, let's unravel the mysteries of the most widely used chart type in day trading, the candlestick chart. These charts have an incredibly visually appealing aesthetic and provide comprehensive information for your trading decision-making process. Each individual candle represents a particular time frame, whether it's minutes, hours, or even days. The body of the candle indicates the price range between the opening and closing prices, while the wicks or shadows represent the high and low prices within that time frame. Keep your eyes peeled for common candlestick patterns, such as doji, hammer, and engulfing patterns. These patterns can help you spot potential reversals or confirm ongoing trends, giving you a significant advantage in making successful trades. Third, analyzing trend lines. Who's ready to ride the waves of the market trends? Trend lines are one of the keys to successful day trading, helping us understand the overall direction the market is moving in. A bullish trend line showcases an upward trajectory, while a bearish trend line depicts a downward movement. By connecting the swing lows or highs on a chart, you'll be able to draw trend lines. As day traders, we search for breakout or breakdown points, as they often indicate either buying or selling opportunities. These trend lines will become your trusty compass, leading you towards profitable trades and away from potential pitfalls. Fourth, unveiling support and resistance levels. Let's talk about two critical ingredients in our trading recipe: support and resistance levels. Support marks the price at which a security tends to remain stable, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Resistance, on the other hand, represents the price level at which a security struggles to move beyond, hinting at a possible selling point. Whether you are using horizontal support and resistance levels or diagonal trend lines, these zones help identify areas where the market may reverse or continue along its current path. By recognizing these levels, you can make informed decisions, setting your profit targets and stop-loss orders accordingly. Fifth, utilizing technical indicators. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's supercharge our chart reading skills with technical indicators. These are powerful tools that crunch complex calculations to provide additional trading signals, confirming or challenging the information you gather from your charts. There's a vast range of indicators available, from moving averages to relative strength index, RSI, stochastic oscillators, and more. Each indicator provides unique insights into market conditions, trends, and potential turning points. By combining multiple indicators, you can polish your chart reading abilities and make more precise trading decisions. Congratulations, traders, on reaching the end of this exhilarating journey through the world of day trading charts. Today, we've explored the basics of reading charts, decoding the language of candlestick charts, analyzing trend lines, recognizing support and resistance levels, and harnessing the power of technical indicators. Remember, mastering this skill requires practice and patience, so don't get discouraged along the way. Promise me, you'll analyze those charts like a detective on a mission, hunting down the most profitable trade setups with laser focus. Get excited about the endless opportunities awaiting you in the financial markets. Stay tuned to our channel for more exhilarating content on day trading strategies, risk management, and cutting-edge tools. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow traders. As always, thanks for watching, and happy trading.